If your Telegram calls are not working on your PC app, or the other person can hear you but you cannot hear them, or your microphone is not being detected, this video will show you the quickest way to fix it. We are going to check the Telegram app settings first, and then we will make sure Windows privacy permissions are not blocking your microphone or camera. These steps are simple, but they solve a lot of common Telegram call problems on desktop. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and app guides. It really helps the channel and lets me know to make more videos like this. Alright, let's jump into the first fix. Open Telegram on your PC. In the top left corner, click the three horizontal lines to open the menu, then click Settings. Once you are inside Telegram settings, look for the section related to calls, audio, or devices. Here, you want to check your speakers and camera settings carefully. Telegram usually gives you drop-down menus for your input and output devices. The input device is your microphone, and the output device is your speakers or headphones. This is where a lot of people run into problems, because the app is often set to default, and that does not always choose the correct device on your computer. For the best results, choose your exact active microphone instead of leaving it on default. If you are using a headset, select that headset microphone. If you are using your laptop mic, select the built-in microphone. Do the same for your output device. If you use headphones, select your headphones or headset speakers. If you use external speakers, choose those specifically. If Telegram has a camera drop-down as well, select the camera you actually want to use for video calls. Sometimes the app picks the wrong webcam or does not detect the correct one, so choosing it manually can fix the problem right away. After selecting the right devices, make sure to test the call again. If the issue was caused by Telegram using the wrong microphone or speaker, this should solve it. If not, don't worry, because the next step is just as important. Now let's check Windows settings, because Telegram also needs permission from your operating system to use your microphone and camera. If Windows blocks access, Telegram calls can fail even if the app settings are correct. Open Windows settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll through the permissions until you find Microphone. Turn microphone access on. Also make sure desktop apps are allowed to use the microphone. This is very important because Telegram Desktop counts as a desktop app, and if this permission is off, your mic may not work at all. Next, go back and find camera permissions as well. Turn camera access on, and again make sure desktop apps are allowed to use the camera. Even if you only want audio calls, checking both is a good idea because Telegram sometimes needs camera access for call features and device detection. Once these permissions are enabled, close Telegram completely and reopen it. This helps the app refresh and detect the updated Windows permissions. Then try making a Telegram call again and see if the microphone and audio are working properly. If it still does not work, double check that no other app is using your microphone in the background. Apps like Discord, Zoom, Teams, or browser tabs can sometimes take control of the device and cause Telegram to malfunction. Also, make sure your headset or microphone is properly connected and not muted physically. In many cases, just manually selecting the correct speaker and microphone inside Telegram and turning on microphone and camera access in Windows is enough to fix the problem completely. So to quickly recap, first open Telegram settings, go to your call or device options and manually choose the correct input and output devices instead of default. Then open Windows Privacy and Security, enable microphone and camera access, and make sure desktop apps are allowed to use them. After that, restart Telegram and test your call again. If this video helped you fix Telegram on PC, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to fix Telegram microphone issues, Telegram camera not working, or Telegram notification problems on PC in another easy step-by-step video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.